What the f are you guys talking about? Yo, I'm gonna shit myself. Is it on?
Hello team, how are we doing this morning?
What's up? Sorry, I was just trying to be like intense.
How much of that Red Bull do you?
It's been a little while since I've done a prank, so I decided to come back with a vengeance, and you guys are here because we were in the beard video together. You guys have all met Marcellus the Hawk.
We have.
But we have a little bit of an upgrade. So, Amanda, would you mind just...
Marcellus, you've changed.
Amanda, do you mind demonstrating
Yes, of course.
what we're about to be doing here? Then, speak of the Hawk.
Marcellus, hi!
Putting your girlfriend in a helmet.
Yep. And then, would you mind doing the honors of locking that?
I would freak out if that was on me.
But then the final touch is
Oh god.
we're gonna attach a crow to the top of the helmet.
A hawk's natural prey.
I like the narration. Can you narrate this entire prank just
Let
like
me
a
try.
Nat Geo commentator?
We attached a crow to the helmet. Crows are hawk's natural prey. What we're hoping for is for the hawk to attack Amanda's head.
Alright, well I say let's hook up the crow and let's do a test run.
It's like a new level of roommateship. Like you're letting him lock you into something.
I don't want to, Kristen, I don't want to stretch your glasses.
This is the weirdest. Why do I feel like we're doing some weird Vogue photo shoot?
Sick. Okay, I'm about to get attacked by a hawk.
It's not gonna go well.
Cover my neck are his Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
it goes straight for his penis.
Kristen! But she's here, she's stealing all my jokes. It's not fair.
Okay, well,
I don't know why I'm covering my balls.
Can I get some football? Marcellus, just don't get his ears. I need him to make music.
This is so weird.
Chicken.
Okay, now this belongs in an art gallery.
Elton, can you take a picture of me?
I mean, I'm doing a screen grab right now, so. What in the world?
That was amazing. Holy crap.
Okay, so it works.
Test run 2.
I'm in athletic position.
Oh.
That's so crazy.
Good job, Marcellus.
That's really crazy.
Didn't film that one, but he just completely
He just
tore the
destroyed
bird
it.
in half and left the legs on top.
He gave Fitz some antenna.
You're good.
On me?
No. He's up on the reef.
Guys, please make sure to hit the like button because we're going to be donating a penny per like to the Peregrine Fund, which helps rehabilitate birds into the wild and breed species that are endangered. So make sure to hit the like button. Thank you in advance, Marcellus, for scaring the crap out of all my friends. Okay, let's do this. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, cool.
We're home, Elton. God.
What's going on?
Open it
How you guys doing?
Pretty good. How are you?
So,
Horrified because you have a camera and that's never a good thing.
yeah, and I'm not opening the door all the way either, which is also a good thing. And also Scotty's behind
Oh
me.
no.
I have a question. What does XPLR mean? Explore, but like hipster?
Yes.
Who wants to go first?
What is it? You didn't tell us.
I know, I said I have a surprise for you guys, but just who wants to go first? Who wants the surprise first? Sam wants the surprise first?
Whoa, 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 whoa. I thought we were rock, paper, scissors on this.
2 out of 3.
Fine.
No!
Alright, we're blindfolding Sam.
Go first, Sam. Go
Yeah, we're
first.
blindfolding Sam, and then Colby, we're gonna have you come right upstairs.
Wait, you're blindfolding him and I'm going
What?
first?
I won.
What? Oh, you won. You're getting blindfolded.
Yes!
All right, come here.
That's the wrong blindfold. I thought we were using my underwear.
Oh, go grab your underwear.
Cool.
All right,
We'll have
this is
Sam
gonna
go
look
upstairs to the
hilarious.
recording studio.
This is gonna look ridiculous.
Oh.
There we go, there we go.
There you go.
What kind of video are we filming here, guys?
All right, I'm gonna spin you around real quick.
back memories, Sam.
Yeah, I know. We've already
Alright.
filmed this video, Elton.
All right.
Holy, follow my voice.
Just go upstairs. Don't look, don't ruin the surprise. Just go
It's not
upstairs.
good.
I don't know if there's anything in front of me.
You're good. You're doing well.
All right, we're gonna put the thing on you.
Yeah.
You're gonna.
No, leave that on. Leave that on. Jesus, leave that on.
Wait, whoa, why?
Hold on.
Okay, yeah.
Is it too late?
to
Just
a
say I don't want to do this anymore.
There we go.
Hey, you got a fat head,
It's
Colby.
okay, it's
I
okay.
have a big ass head.
It'll reach.
I don't want to do this anymore, Elton.
Well, hold on. Give you like 2 seconds.
How do I unlock it once I
do
lock
Just
it?
Don't worry about that question. Just lock it.
Just lock it, click it in.
Okay,
Alright.
now you can
Click it
not
in.
do it anymore. You can take your blindfold off now.
I can? Wait, what? This is. I'm so scared right now. What is happening?
There's no mirrors in here.
No, you have no idea. Wait, look through the TV.
What the hell is that on my head? Is that a bird on my head? Is it alive? Oh no. Is it alive? Like, what?
No, that'd be weird if there was a live bird in this house, huh?
So weird.
That'd be so weird. Who would ever have a live bird in this house?
All right, now cue the lion.
No! 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 Wait! Whoa! Wait! Oh!
Colby.
Oh! It's time! Oh! Where'd it go? 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 Is it on me? Is it on me? Is it on me? Is it on me? No. Where's it at? Where's it at?
The bird is on your head.
Oh! Oh! Okay. 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 We're fine.
Colby,
We're
you're
fine.
confusing him.
Oh, great! It's locked. It's padlocked.
Yeah, try and get it off.
I'm like over here trying to get it off. Hey, birdie. We're friends, right? Yeah? Oh! Okay, no, we're not friends. Got it. Got it. What am I supposed to do? Are you just gonna film me till it like hits my face or something? Or like what's the goal here? Oh! Oh!
Colby, don't hit the bird.
I'm just gonna.
That is the weirdest Christmas ornament I have ever seen.
Colby, can you do him a favor and just let him eat it
Just
up?
let him get it. Just let him get it. Just
Let him
chill.
get it?
Yeah, yeah. Just stand still.
Oh my god. Get a birdie.
Turn to your right.
Bend down a little bit.
Yeah, just stand there. You're good. That's your crow impression?
I think so. I think that's what
He
this
shook
sounds
his
like.
butt after you shook your head.
I'm from Kansas. Nice birdie. Oh my god. Wow.
Round of applause for Colby.
Wow. Thank you. Great prank.
Do you know the combination?
No.
Well, then
How am I
that's the
supposed
real.
to know that?
That's the real prank. It's just.
He's like,
And now you're locked in here forever.
Great prank. Terrifying.
Get Sam.
All right.
The surprise.
It's a surprise.
Pretty cool surprise, right?
damn.
It's your turn for the surprise.
All right.
What is it? What is it? What is it, dude?
Best surprise of your life,
yeah.
dude. It's actually a nice thing. Like I know Elton's.
All right, super tight.
But like
All right,
it's.
What, me?
I gotta spin you around so you have no idea where you are.
Because I'm not
In
gonna.
my house. What do you mean?
Go.
Oh shit! Sam, go downstairs.
Hey, right after he spins me, yeah.
Yeah, we'll spot you. Go ahead. There we
Super
go.
safe.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. That's. Oh jeez.
Oh my god.
What?
You have one hell of a surprise for you. It got so much better.
What does that mean?
Sam will have to get both surprises at once.
What?
Oh my god.
Oh wait, no. I know what we're doing here.
Keep
Best
going. Keep
surprise
going.
I've ever seen.
Keep going.
Alright, here we go.
Whoa,
All right, we're gonna put something on your
whoa.
head.
Why?
Just hang out. You're good. You're good.
This is no.
Here.
No, I did not agree to this.
Is it pretty tight?
Please tell me you have to fart. Please tell me you have to fart.
I don't.
You gotta kneel down for this one.
Oh no, Elton, we're not
gonna
doing
need
this
to
type
kneel?
of video today.
You gotta kneel down for this one, Colby. Here. No, Colby, he trusts you. Colby, he trusts you. Come closer. Come closer.
Just do it. This is
Come closer. No, come closer. No, more. You gotta go like 3 feet forward.
No, Elton, you can't make me do this.
Reach out. You can't make me do this. Reach out and grab it.
I'm scared.
Reach out and grab it. Come on. Forward. More.
No,
More.
This is weird.
Come on, grab it.
Oh God.
There's nothing. The prize is literally right in front of you. You just gotta reach out and grab it.
Why won't anyone touch me?
Should I go like that?
Yeah, go ahead, do that. That's fine.
Jesus, buy me dinner first, Sam.
I feel like I just. What just happened? Oh
But your real surprise is still coming.
I forgot he was gonna be blindfolded. I thought he would just walk down and I would say, "Are you ready, Sam?"
No, I saw that opportunity and I seized it. Yeah, your real surprise is coming.
You didn't have to do that?
No, I didn't have to do that.
That wasn't my surprise. That was just straight up Scotty.
I've always liked you, Sam.
Not the surprise.
That was not the surprise.
Oh my God! You brought a hawk in here? Is that the one for your goddamn video?
No.
Oh, God. What's on my head? Elton?
Come on, Sam.
I'm gonna use you. Swoop on this guy. Oh my God. No, I'm using your point. Oh God, no.
Oh my God. Get away, get away, get away.
Human shield. Human shield. No.
Still, just stand still. He won't be able to see you. It's like a dinosaur.
All right.
You can dodge a hawk, you can dodge a hawk.
That looks so scary.
Actually stand still. Just actually stand still. He'll take it. He'll take it off you. Just stand still. Stand still.
Oh my God. Oh, there's a hawk on me. Oh, crap.
That's right, Marcellus. Beyond the norm.
Look at all the merch.
Did he get it?
Yeah, he got it.
Oh, sick. Is he not gonna attack me anymore? Oh, what the?
You can get it off?
No. Nope, I can't.
Okay, I can take it off for you.
Now this is the other surprise. You have a saw right here. The only way to get it off is to saw your neck off.
Thank God.
Brandon's here.
Where's Brandon?
Hi, Brandon. You want to come inside?
I don't know.
But before you enter,
We gotta put this on your face.
Oh my God.
Turn around, turn around.
wait, also, what happened to the beard? Where
Let's not talk about it, alright?
No.
Let's not talk about this.
Alright, what's going on?
I don't know. All I hear is screaming and shit.
I got a question. Did Brennan just like loot a pirate's chest or something like that? Look at all this bling.
Yeah, you know me. I'm out here now.
Come on in, walk him in.
Wait. What am I going into?
We're into Scott's boobies.
There's your plan. Give you something better later.
You're going into the middle of the room.
You're on the ground level, but you're still going downstairs.
What?
Are you okay
Alright.
with this? Is this normal? Like for you, this is okay?
yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yo, why do I feel like I'm gonna get shot with paintball guns?
Stand right there.
No paintball guns. No way. No
I'm
way.
shaking.
Right there.
No way. No paintball guns.
You swear? Ow! What is this?
I'm sorry, bro.
Yo, is this Sam?
Yeah.
Sam, why are you doing this to me?
I'm not. It's a really good present.
Sam!
Should we get him down low so
I
he's
thought we were
safer?
friends.
Okay,
Sam.
All right, now we're gonna need you to get on your knees,
And
Brennan.
you gotta get safer. You gotta get way safer.
So get as low to the ground as you possibly can.
Super low.
What?
Yeah, like army crawl, dude.
Yeah,
What
you
the
go.
fuck
Down,
are you guys talking about?
Super low. Keep going.
Stop! What am I gonna?
No, just on the ground.
Okay, I'm on the ground. No, I'm scared. This is sussing me out, yo.
I like how you guys are just casually sitting on the couch. Like, this is just game night for us. Everyone's just chilling in the room.
What's going on?
Yeah, go ahead. You can take that.
Reveal it.
Oh, wow. That was not a silence. So this is the video. Woo! All right, that was not bad.
You're done.
Cool. All right.
Cool.
That was not easier than I thought. I thought something crazy was gonna happen.
Yeah, no, nothing crazy would ever happen in this house. Do you not? Why would you need a helmet with a padlock on just for Scotty?
I don't know. Why? There's a fucking lock on it? So I can't take this off if I wanted
You
to.
can try and take it off.
Oh, you guys are assholes. Wait, why do I really have this on? I feel like I'm gonna get like fucking balls thrown at me or some shit.
This is your first time at my new house.
Yeah. He's like, yo, you wanna come see my new place? I'm like, yeah, I'd love to see this place. This is what I walk into. I got a helmet fucking locked on my head.
The moment you've all been waiting for.
What am I waiting for? Oh, fuck! No, what the hell? Oh, shit, no. What is this? Fear Factor shit? Yo, why are you holding me? He looks like a friend. He's a friend.
Yeah, he's a friend for sure.
Oh,
Yeah.
no. He's looking at me.
I'll protect you.
Does it have claws? Like full claws?
No, birds would never have claws. That's
Oh, he just took a shit. He just took a. Ah! No. Okay, why are you? He's giving me this look like you're screwed, kid. I don't know you, but you're dead.
Go away from me. Get away.
No, you want to.
Oh, get away.
Oh God! Woo! Come on, Bird. You want this? We're looking at each other in the eyes right now.
You fall in love.
You just stand still. He'll leave you alone.
All right. Cool. I think this is working.
Yeah, just stand still.
Better. Oh fuck!
Don't move. Stay there.
Yo, I'm gonna shit myself. Is it off? Is it off of me? Yo, can you get this fucking thing off of me? I feel it. It's walking around. It's plotting my murder. Get this thing off.
I'm waiting for it to poop on you.
Oh fuck! It's gone, right? It's gone.
Yeah, it's gone.
Woo! Yeah, that was not so bad.
Good
Did
job.
you have that extra underwear? This is the first time I came to Alex's house and the last time I'll come here. Yo, all right, can we unlock this thing? 'Cause I feel like it's still looking at me. Oh shit. Yo, I thought this game was over, yo. I'm going behind Scotty and shit.
I thought it was going for my eyes.
Oh my god. Is the bird gone or is it off my head?
Bye, Brennan.
See you guys.
Have fun getting the helmet
I like
off.
filming videos with you because I get souvenirs when I leave. Thanks. Good thing I have a saw at home. What you mean stay there,
No,
bro?
you're
That's a
fine.
freaking hawk.
No, you're fine. Can you hop a gate?
I think I could if there's a hawk flying at me. Should we make bets? Oh my god.
Woo! That's dope.
Wow, that's a beautiful creature, but I'm gonna get going now.
Okay.
Can we get the
Let's get that off.
And that's it for today's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like and subscribe.
Please make sure to check out everyone's channel. Please make sure to check out everyone's channel.
dangerous.
Brennan still doesn't know the code to get the lock off his
Yes, this is actually ridiculous. It's like literally staring at
If
me.
you hit the like button, we're going to donate a penny per like to the Peregrine Fund, which helps rehabilitate birds into the wild. So do that. And thank you guys for watching. And thanks to all you guys.
Thanks. Can we get this off now?
Have fun getting that.
No, 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 no.